go, this is the car. Just had a road test. Going for an MOT soon. Stop laughing, Brendan, I can bloody hear you. And he will go around the car, look. Looking good. That's my baby. Not far off complete. All the insides to be done, it's just thrown in really. But it's roadworthy. MOT soon. There she goes. Sits quite well. It's got TRD front suspension struts. It's got Corona bigger discs on the front. It's got standard drums at the back, Bilsteins at the back, 4-linked, 5-speed box, and the engine's pretty good. I've only revved it to 7.5 so far, but it'll easily go to 8.5. It's light and balanced. There we go.